G'day, welcome to iCultivate. My name's Steve. It's been a very long time since you last have seen us, but there's been an enormous amount going on in the background. It's now time to share that with you. Firstly, we have left our old home and entrusted the organic and sustainable lifestyle legacy that we created there to new people, and we hope they will enjoy it for many years to come. Secondly, we have begun 2 new projects. Both are really exciting. Here's a snippet about the second project. But that's enough for the moment. Hopefully we've whet your appetite for what's to come. The first and more immediate project is that we have taken on a much smaller block of land that is an absolute blank canvas. And over the next 12 months, we plan to transform that blank canvas into something that future residents can enjoy for years to come. So join us on this journey, and please share your own thoughts and ideas for the sorts of things that we might be able to include in this project. You can do that by either adding to the comments on this video, or even better, go to our website iCultivate.net, join the community and become a part of the conversation there. We're looking forward to sharing our new journey and can't wait to hear back from you all. Thanks for watching.